First of all, the purpose of my visit has been to appreciate the efforts of our airport staff and also the CISF, which has coordinated very well with the armed forces in protecting the airport and also lifting up the whole morale of the Airport Authority of India and civil aviation. Because just like the country, we were also very worried when there were news reports saying that Jammu airport there is a lot of activity, drone activity and everything happening around the airport. So we were very concerned about the infrastructure and the airport. But the way the airport staff, right from the director to all the people who are working there, and in fact CISF, the way they have shown courage, the way they have handled the situation, I felt that I had to personally come and visit them and thank them for the kind of attitude that they've shown. And it is with that purpose that I've come to Jammu and Srinagar. And the second purpose was that we wanted to start the civil operations just like how it was before the attack. So we wanted to bring normalcy in the civil aviation connectivity. And that also we have done. That also we have done both for Srinagar and Jammu. Almost all the connectivity we have restored so that people can come and go as it was happening just before the attack. And on top of that, here in Jammu, we are building a new terminal. That is where we are at the present moment. We are building a new terminal with 50,000 square feet, which is going to handle much more capacity than the existing building. This is slated to be completed by June next year. So I wanted this construction also to happen very, very smoothly and on time. So I've utilized this opportunity to review the construction also that is happening here. And very happy to say that the whole team here, let it be the new construction or the existing staff, everyone is working up to their mark. And the way they have stood up in this difficult time, I think they needed that kind of appreciation. And as a minister, I wanted to do that personally. And since I'm interacting with the media, I would also like to take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of our armed forces. I think all the 140 crore people of this country are very, very proud, and they are keeping their head held high today in front of the whole world, that if anyone dares to attack India in the name of terrorism, then they are going to face the heat of it.
Sir, Celebi, a Turkish company, is on the eye of the storm. They are handling the ground operations at many locations for you. Will you also be taking the action against them also, because many of the cases were also found against them, including DRO?
This is a security aspect, and we are talking with the security agencies also, and it is there in the notice of us, and we'll see what decision needs to be taken. We are working it out.
Trade organizations and many
Yes, we are aware of whatever it is happening, and we will take a decision in the interest of the nation, and we are talking with the necessary people internally also with the security agencies, and we'll take the necessary decision.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.